This is Will with the PushPilot, and this is the best hole saw accessory in the world.
Is this a gimmick or does it really work?
So I'm here in Las Vegas at the National Hardware Show for 2025. We're gonna see some amazing vendors here with a bunch of new inventions, and we're gonna cover the floor as much as we can for the little time we're gonna be here.
This is a traditional arbor, traditional hole saw, and this is the traditional result you get from drilling with it. You get this stuck plug. The PushPilot is an arbor, much like this, but it has a few differences. It threads onto any size hole saw and works with any hole saw, different hole saws. But what it does, it only drills into the wood this 3/8 of an inch. After that, the pressure from drilling will collapse this plunger into this spring-loaded chamber, and then once it gets done drilling, it automatically will eject the wood out of the hole saw, so you never have this problem. You never have to sit there and pry with a screw or try and touch a hot saw because it's already gone and you're already drilling the next hole. Okay, so this is how the PushPilot works, and you actually don't need to push on the PushPilot. It'll just drill itself. So you get it right up to the hole you're about to drill and just start drilling. It will engage.
PushPilot sent me one of their bits over here to go ahead and test out because you never know. You know, you go to these things, they're in a controlled environment. What I wanted to do is just go ahead and give it a try to see if it really works on the first try or maybe the second try. So I'm just gonna try a traditional 2 1/8 right now. But here it is, you know, I just got on just any average hole saw that I have on there. And I'm curious to see how it works. So here it is, the first test, let's give it a go. It definitely shot it out. For me, you know, having it test and work the first time was really cool. You know, and it really
shot out, I mean, like across the floor, probably about 10 feet out.
So I would say be careful on what you're cutting on the other side because it might just hit somebody in the face on this thing. So first try worked like a charm. Let's go ahead and change the size and see how it performs. Let's see if it really works with a smaller one. And I'm assuming it's 1 3/8. Shot it out, worked really well with the smaller hole saw too as well. So to me, 2 out of 2 holes, it performing well. Thanks PushPilot for sending me this. I'm definitely gonna be using it for some of my tables that I have. Try to see if it'll work out on metal as well. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and check out in the description below. I have more information about PushPilot there.